Frustrating. That's what it is. I had an Intel 1080 Ti for the longest time. Loved it. Never had issues. Time to upgrade. Everything that I can see for Linux world, AMD. Did a little researching. Yeah, I can use DaVinci Resolve by AMD. Doesn't work. Can't get it to operate DaVinci Resolve correctly. In openSUSE Leap. Got it to see it. It didn't work though. When I went to do a video, it actually just said render failed. Couldn't do it. To me, why did I buy AMD GPU? Frustrating. So guess what's on order? NVIDIA GPU. Just after I bought an AMD one. That is frustrating. I don't know why people say AMD works the best. Just works. Gaming, do my simple gaming needs. Yeah, AMD worked. But when it comes down to it, simply AMD did not work. Super frustrating. Now, I did something I'd never done before, and that was to install Leap, Pop! OS, Fedora. All of them had the same issues. I could not get AMD to power the delivering in DaVinci Resolve. It just didn't work. Spent like 8 hours just trying to work on it. It should not be that hard. Intel, install the CUDA drivers. You're done. Simple as that. AMD, you gotta fix your stuff, man. Cards a little cheaper, but if you can't use them, it's worthless. Yeah, that's it for my rant, my frustrating rant. You guys have a good day. Bye.